Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. New iPads Mini 7 are on the way. Apple is holding a Let Loose event on May 7th, and the teaser graphic heavily suggests we'll see an iPad or two launch. Rumors abound that these will be the 7th generation iPad Mini and an OLED-toting iPad Pro. Here we're focusing on the smaller of the two. The iPad Mini is the smallest and most portable model in Apple's tablet family, and the next model looks to have some big upgrades, including more power, more RAM and possibly a larger screen. Apple's Let Loose event takes place on May 7th, and while the focus looks to be on iPads, the new Mini isn't guaranteed in appearance. Internet rumors have focused on the new iPad Pro, said to be the first with an OLED screen and a new version of the iPad Air. According to Apple watcher Mark Gurman at Bloomberg, we won't see a new iPad Mini before the end of the year, at the earliest, which would be a shame, as the Mini is due a refresh. The last model launched all the way back in 2021. There's very little word on price for the iPad Mini 7 yet. That's not surprising, given that the price is usually one of the last things to be decided about a new device. One source posting on South Korean social network Client reckons the new Mini will cost a little more than the iPad Mini 6. That wouldn't be surprising, given that model is 3 years old now, and prices are bound to rise. The Mini 6 costs $499, so we could see the Mini 7 costing around $519. Other rumored new specs give the tablet 4 GB of RAM and an entry-level capacity of 128 GB, up from 64 GB on the iPad Mini 6. That would make sense. People need more storage than ever, and 128 GB would match the iPhone 15's lowest available capacity. The iPad Mini 6 suffers from an issue known as jelly scrolling, where the screen tears during scrolling in portrait orientation, making text and images look fragmented due to varying refresh rates. According to Mac rumors, this should be much less noticeable, or hopefully eliminated altogether on the iPad Mini 7 thanks to the way the screen is assembled. But then the same source claimed the iPad Mini 7 would launch in October 2024 alongside the iPad Air 6, so we'll take this one with a pinch of salt. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.